Well, guys, it turned into a snowstorm day where CP and I made it halfway to the city and she was starting to white knuckle things, so she said, let's go home. We got halfway to the city, we turned around, came home. It is getting pretty bad out there, but see that little guy right there? And there's another one just on the other side of the trees right there. You can see his feet. Mama and baby.
No, those are two babies.
I don't think so. The one's quite a bit bigger, the one that's in the trees.
That's a baby.
No, it ain't. Not with that big gray head, it ain't.
That's a baby. Leave him alone. As long as they're not munching on the trees.
No, they're munching in my bales. Then they come and sleep over here. Oh well. You guys all have a good day. Fun, fun, fun. Let's get her done. Hey guys. It's still the day of the storm. And that door, so all of our doors that swing open. When we swing them to open the door, they swing to the inside. And one of the reasons basically for that, and you see underneath the door right there, the snow is building up because the wind blows the snow over the roof of the barn and dumps it right in front of the door. This way, tomorrow morning we can come, swing the door open, and the cows, they'll plow through that snowbank to get out. But that door itself is not airtight, so yeah, it builds up with snow even a little bit on the inside. But the rest of the building is good. These girls are mooing at us because they think I should give them grain. The only one that got grain here, well,
Not with the girls in here.
that one over there got grain. That's 357. And number 6, she got a full can of grain because she goes to freezer
I
camp.
give her 3, 2 times a day.
You give her what?
3 cans,
3 cans?
2 times a day.
Well, I gave her that yellow thing right full.
I give her 3, 2 times a day.
Well, I didn't give her that much. I just gave her 1.
She's gonna be hungry.
She's just a pig. Some big uns in here. Actual starting day is February 3, but I don't think we're gonna start on February 3. I'm thinking it'll be later than that. I don't know. They'll calve when they're ready to calve. Right, Ed? When they're ready to calve, that's when they'll calve.
Hey, I need to open the door.
These girls all settle down. They basically come in every night on their own because I don't bed them outside. I only bed them inside here. And yeah, they could use a new bed. But they've been coming in on their own every night anyways. But due to the storm, I figured, no, I'm going to lock them in here. Anywho, I'll show you what it looks like outside when I go outside. Talk to you then. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but see what I mean? So yeah, with the snow that we're getting and the wind, see that snowbank right there? That's right at the door. Hey?
Did you show him the guineas?
No, I haven't shown them the guineas.
Well, get the net out.
So with the door open, when it snows and blows, it actually creates it so that the snow whips around and wants to go back inside the door, and that's why it's hanging off the eave so bad right there. This is supposed to only last here until this evening, but there's one, and there's the other two. And that one always goes over the top to this side, and then she's always freaking out, I want to be with my friends. Oh, hush you. And so, my crazy chicken lady. You got 4 in there?
5.
5? I can't count. My glasses are fogging up on me.
Okay, I'm starving. I got ribs in the house.
Ribs and pierogies tonight. Talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Alrighty guys, how's it going this morning? And we'll have to push that snow out of there. So, if I never did say it before, I'll say it now. When we build our fence line feed systems, yeah, we got the big posts in the ground, and some guys might think, well, BP, you should have had your stuff on the other side of the post so that the animals are pushing on the rail and pushing against the post. Yeah, I agree, but when you get a big snowstorm like we had last night, and see that doorway? See how it blew in? Anyway, I got this cleaned out for these calves. This way, I could come in here with the tractor and just drive right along the side and push it right out, and it's nice and clean where we put our feed, and I don't have to shovel the snow out going in and out or going by hand with a shovel. I just drive right along that edge with the bucket down and it's gone. Makes it for a lot quicker and a lot easier cleanup. So now we'll just dump this fresh bucket load down, and yeah, see the little bit of crack slabs in that back wall, and just with that driving wind, it blew snowbanks inside our shelters, and oh my god, everything is full of snow. Anyway, I gotta let you guys go. We'll get this feeding and snow removal done and talk to you later. Those guys are all done. Couple bucket loads will last those 6 animals a long time. We actually got a heifer that's in the process of calving right now as we speak. I think I'm gonna head for the barn and go investigate how she's doing. Talk to you later. Alrighty guys, well, we got the cows fed up out in the bush, and we knew this girl was gonna do something, and she wasn't really wanting to lick it on it, and that's typical with heifers. So generally what we'll do is sprinkle a little bit of grain on their back. Oh, she sees CP with more grain. Anyway, she had it on her own, a little girl. We'll just leave her alone to lick on it, and I'll come back and check on her a little bit later. Good job, Mama. Now get to work and licking it off. Now we'll dig some of the snow out from in front of the barn, and then we'll see how that calf is doing and if mom's gonna lick it off real good or not. See if I have to put it in a hot box or not, and see if it'll stand up and want to start sucking. And so now our calving season definitely has started. This is our very own. It's not a purchased animal, so this is our own breeding, so on and so forth. So calving season 2025 has definitely started for the BCP Farm and Trucking Ranch. Anyways, I'm gonna go to work at back dragging some of this snow away from these buildings, and we'll talk to you guys later. Well, that looks a hell of a lot better than it did an hour and a half ago. I still have to get into that corral over there, but I figure we should check and see how little baby's doing. See if it's standing or not yet. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's not a very big calf. It probably only weighs about 60 pounds. But you know what? For a heifer, that's exactly what I'm looking for. And she's licking the calf now too, so she's just got to stand still and let baby get on there. Come on, little one. You can do it. There you go. Good job. Alrighty. Perfect. I'm gonna keep working at getting snow moved out. Probably ain't gonna get much straw put down today, but if we can get the snow the hell out of here, we'll bring you guys back after. Alrighty guys, well, went up, had a sandwich and a coffee, and now we're gonna attack this corral. I'm not gonna worry too much about that alleyway right there that leads up to that door, which is completely blocked. My biggest concern is getting this part here all cleaned out today, so we can work those gates properly right at that doorway going into the barn, and so that our animals can get in and out properly. So yeah, that's my big concern here for today. So yeah, I think it's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. I don't know. I'll have to click the phone off and find out. So for now, I'll just let you go and we'll bring you back after. Okay, I just clicked the phone off and it is 2:27. So let's see how long this is gonna take, and hopefully I don't fuck anything up. Later. Yeah, I know. I was watching them. This looks a lot better. You can see the door.
So do you want her in a pen?
I'm thinking, yeah. Now, I'll plug the Bobcat in for the night. Maybe tomorrow I can attack this right here and around the back corner. But this corral is all cleaned out now. And yeah, I got a feeling the next one to calve will be CP's heifer. And you were saying, babe, Do we got a red orange 25? You were asking me? Yeah, we do.
Did I?
That's her right there.
No, I didn't say 25.
What did you say?
61, I think.
I don't have an orange 61.
I didn't say orange.
I thought you did.
No.
But this girl right here, I think, is going to be the next one to calve. We got to get her used to going into the main barn. Or who's the other one you were thinking of? 49? 349? She could run faster than you.
Oh, if you get off your phone once in a while, put those feet.
Well, it's never a good thing to have two dogs chasing a cow.
You just called me a dog.
No, I'm saying both of us. When you're chasing a cow, we're dogs.
Just called. It's supposed to be your wife.
Okay, I'll get around here. That one there's getting close. See, that's how this old dog does it. Old and experienced. I'm gonna get my ass kicked here, guys. Anyway, guys. Excuse me. It took me basically 2 hours to clean this corral out.
Kind of goes in one ear and out the other, hey?
Pardon?
It kind of goes in one ear and out the other, hey?
That kinda, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. We're gonna work at our moving some animals in and out, and we'll talk to y'all later. Have a good one. Alrighty, guys. Well, it's almost end of day. It's like 5 o'clock, 5:30, something like that. Chores is all done, and we've got one more job we got to get done here today. Well, theoretically, 2-3 little jobs. Had to remove this snow here and going up alongside the bale processor there, get it all pushed up and piled up. The big white Dodge is he's running. He started, no problem. We got to get that trailer off of him, unhooked. We got to get him hooked up to our gooseneck, and we got to get the gooseneck unloaded because it still has those continuous corral panels on it that CP bought there way back whenever the hell that was, before Christmas or just after Christmas or something like that. They're still on the gooseneck because I need that trailer. We're gonna help neighbor out and haul some bales for him. He bought some bales from a different neighbor, and he asked if I could haul the bales. So, like a goofy bugger, I says, yeah, I'll haul them. It's not like I have all that extra time in the world, but I'll give him a hand. He has no way of getting the bales hauled himself. So, anywho, that's what's going on here. I'll get this snow moved, and I'll bring you back when we're unloading that trailer. Alrighty, there we go. Trailers, got that snow moved, got the trailer unloaded, swapped trailers out. This sucker wasn't actually froze down this time. So, yeah, that's her for today. I'm calling her a day. So, I'll let you guys go. Fun, fun, fun. Let's get her done. We'll catch you later.